So this is step 2, and this is due next week. We're going to take a template or create a template from an existing box, cut it out carefully so that way you can test how you're going to fold it, and that way you'll be able to see where the placement of your items are going to be. I highly recommend doing this, not just doing this on your final, but do a test where you have your slogan, logo, etc. Figure out what's the top, what's the side, what's the bottom. That's going to help you out as you go. And then you're just going to kind of mark it up with a pen. And then we're going to do the rest in just a moment. So thank you. Now that you have this, and you can see front, bottom, back, the top, and you can fold this stuff in, get an idea of what this is going to look like, sort of like this, right? It would help to take a look at some actual boxes. I don't know if you have any soap boxes. This one is from a package, so it doesn't have everything on it, but it does have some of the information, including the brand that it comes from, the size that it is. It's 4 ounces. So before I do my final one, I noticed on my demonstration piece here that's on the Google Classroom that we have several tabs that don't have anything. So I'm not worried about that, but I do want to put my logo on the front, back, and top. In the bottom, I'm thinking I'll put the UPC code stuff. So instead of trying to draw a UPC code, find yourself some old boxes. I'm sure you have some around. You can cut UPC code off the bottom. You could cut some of the other items that they have on here, questions, comments, little scan tags here. What I was looking for was a thing of ingredients. I have some Girl Scout cookie box. It has the ingredients here, along with some recycle things here. So what's really important is that you take a look at these boxes. Don't pull apart a new box of noodles and they go all over the place. Just carefully try to separate it the best you can without ruining it. You can see how these boxes are all kind of made the same. Where you have some tags that are hidden, like this, and this little piece. And then you have the 6 sides that you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the pieces that I need. So I'm laying it all out based on my test cutout. And I just have some sketches on here. I decided I'm going to just put my logo without any text on the side because I have my logo on here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. The only place that it's not on is on the back. And then we're going to go ahead and start marking this stuff in. So I'm going to go ahead and color it. Shouldn't take too long. That's my layout. Now I just have to cut it out. Have it pre-folded. Now I'm just going to put some glue where I have my X's, right? And then maybe a little bit back there. Get a scrap piece of paper. Put it in there. Lots of glue. There you are. Got things on all 6 sides. Got my brand on the front. And we have the important things on the back.